Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Crafting with V. This is just going to be a really quick unboxing. I did get this from Amazon. It is a 10-piece diamond art coaster set. And I just thought that this was so adorable. I will put the link in the description. But I want to work on this while I'm at work tonight, on my lunch breaks and stuff. So I thought that we would do a really quick unboxing on it in the car. Yes, y'all get another car unboxing. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at this. We have our drills. It looks like they're mainly rhinestones, but we'll look at those here in a minute. Okay, so you get a typical toolkit. Has a pink pen, piece of wax, some baggies, and a green boat. Nothing special. But these are absolutely adorable. They did not come with the little cork pieces to them, but that's okay because I think I'm going to make these into something like magnets maybe. Look at that. Isn't that just so colorful and cute? It's got the little black cat, the colorful moon, the stars, the night sky. And then we have the next one. Once again, another cute little cat with the planets. This is the cat looking the other way. I just absolutely adore all of these paintings. I know it's going to be a short little video and I will upload it. Hopefully I can get it uploaded tonight while I'm at work, because I'm going to edit it with my phone, so you won't get my normal intro and all that. Look at that. Isn't that just adorable? I love these. And then we have another one. These are all have the black cat in it. Although it doesn't look much like Stardust, we're going to call these coasters colorful sky Stardust coasters. But they are absolutely adorable and I cannot wait to work on these. But yeah, I think I'm going to make something like magnets out of them. I may leave them as coasters, but I doubt it. Especially since they did not come with the cork backings to them. They are wooden. And I will be selling these once they're done. But aren't those just adorable? I love all of them. I just could not pass them up whenever I saw them. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look real quick at this. This is actually going to be a very, very short video, I think. Probably less than 10 minutes. Sorry about all of the crinkling. I know the crinkling can get on your nerves sometimes. Let's see. I gotta be able to see what I'm doing here. Got a really pretty yellow rhinestone, a darker yellow. Let's look at the back side of these, not the front side, so that y'all can actually see the colors. My favorite, the pink, the blue. These are all just really pretty colors. Those are just regular black drills, I'm sure, for the cat. Another shade of pink. Some clear. Some green. like a purplish color. A bunch and bunch of blue rhinestones. A purplish pink. What I don't like is I'm seeing a lot of static in these. And then we got the, it's like a teal color. And orange, orangish brown. Green blue, another orange. And this is like the March birthstone, the Aquarius color. Okay, so how many are there of these? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 colors. So I shouldn't have any problem kitting this up for work tonight. But I thought that I would just go ahead and do the unboxing on this here. Sorry this video is not that long, but I wanted to start this at work tonight. I could work on the little mini paintings that I've already got kitted up here, but I just couldn't wait on this. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, even though it was a very, very short unboxing video. But I am in the parking lot at work, so I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. I'm going to go ahead and try to get this kitted up before I have to go in to work. Anyway, everyone take care. I will see you on the next video. If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think about it. Okay, everyone take care. I will see you next time. Bye.